Let's fix that CapCut keeps crashing and lagging. Now open up a project. Once you open a project, on the right section, click on Modify. Looking for Performance, click on Proxy. Make sure this is 540. Now once you click on Save for that one, close your CapCut. Now under here, under Settings, there should be a version. Update this one to the latest version to make it faster. Next up, same drill, click on Settings. Now for this one, clear the cache. Make sure that is going to be deleted because that's going to be a lot of gigabytes and memory. Next, remove CapCut. Just making sure it's going to be removed. Open up Task Manager. And everything that says CapCut here, make sure it's going to be End Task. What we can do right now is open up a Windows key right there. Type in Graphics Settings. Now this is going to be for now. Let it as it is. Now opening up on the Windows key again. Type in CapCut because we're going to locate the file location. Right click. Click on Open File Location. One more time for that one. Now copy this file, type right there. Close it and open it up on browser. Paste it right there. Click on Add. Now choose CapCut. Click on Add. Make sure this is going to be high performance. And that should do it.